Hey guys, so before I get into this video, I first want to give a quick shout out to Dossier Perfumes for partnering with me for this video. For anyone who doesn't know, Dossier Perfumes is a perfume company that specializes in creating high quality perfumes inspired by your favorite, most iconic scents, but at an affordable price without the crazy 500% markups that you see on most luxury perfumes, etc., etc. So as you can see, the bottle that I'm showcasing for you right now is one of my favorite scents that was sent over to me. This is the spicy vanilla scent, and I have been wearing this every single day for the past couple of weeks. This is an amazing fall scent, and I think it's either inspired by Giorgio Armani or Tom Ford. I have to check. I know I mentioned it in my second to last video as well. And I also showed the little cards that come with it and the sample bottles and all of that. But as you can see, the bottle itself is very, very cute. And you can see at the top all of the ingredients or the top notes that are listed in the bottle. So for this bottle, especially the top notes which help create the spicy vanilla scent are nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass, patchouli, and just a bunch of other very natural ingredients that are very delightful to the smell. And I personally enjoy wearing this. I think that this is an amazing scent to have for fall, and they also have a bunch of other scents which I also show in my second to last video if you guys want to watch it as well. Personally, I also have gifted Dossier Perfumes to a friend, and she raves about it to me, and she told me that she literally wears the perfume every single day and that she just absolutely loved her presence. So I was personally very happy to hear it. So if you guys want to check out Dossier, the link will be down below in the description box. Now, on to the video. So I already did my foundation, I used my primer, everything like that. I'm just gonna show you like the products that I've used so far. So for my primer, I used the Becca primer from Sephora. Honestly, it also looks like lavender lotion, and I don't know if it smells too. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it smells cool. It smells fresh. Alright. Everything has makeup on it. And for my foundation, I used the Rimmel London Stay Matte Foundation. So there's a reason that I did my foundation before, because I get makeup all over my shirt, all over my brows and everything like that. So I just wanted to spare you guys that. But we're gonna go in with my We're gonna go in with concealer right now. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. Now, to be honest, you guys, I got this a little bit lighter than I usually get my concealers. But we're just gonna go in with it anyway. I'm gonna use my finger to dab this on because a little goes a very long way with this concealer. Then I like to use a brush and not really a beauty blender because I have very sensitive eyes. I go hard when I do my makeup. We're gonna go for like a soft glam maybe. I don't know, you guys. This is not the outfit I'm gonna be wearing for you. I'm gonna get all glammed up. We could do like date night makeup right now. So for my contour, I just got this palette. Only used it once before, my BH Studio Pro palette. You guys, I honestly am starting to love BH Cosmetics because, first of all, I don't even have to use much of their stuff to achieve like a really good look, but so I'm gonna be using, I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna be using these shades. Y'all, I feel like I have to film this video hella quickly because I really don't have that much storage on my card right now. But honestly, I'm loving how this foundation just gives me, powder gives me such a natural contour. Honestly, you guys, contour is my favorite part. I feel like it just actually gives me my face, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, my nose contour. Thank you. I have a nose again. Now what I'll do is I'll usually go in with the darkest shade on the higher part of my cheekbone, and then I'll just go a little bit lighter in the middle of the cheek, and then kind of just do a little bronzer type thing on my little rosy cheeks. So for my powder, I'm using CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. I love this powder, you guys. It is so great to like kind of soften out any harsh contour that you have on your face and give everything such a nice blend to it. Now, you guys, I'm just gonna do my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Opalescent palette. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right here. I have hella new brushes that I've been like dying to try out. I got these from like Amazon. Marble. I don't have brush numbers for anything, but I'm just gonna use like whatever brush I can right now since I don't really have many. And I'm just gonna go in. So for today's video, I'm gonna be using the shades Flutter, Star, Grace, and Mystic. I can't believe I've survived this video so far. I don't know if you guys heard my, if y'all heard my stomach so far, like in the entire video, just like growling, but I literally use this brush for all of my crease needs. So I'm using the shade Gorgeous. I don't know if I said I was going to use Gorgeous or Grace, but so I'm going to use both. I'm going to be doing kind of like a brown smoky eye for this video. It's really going to go so well for with my outfit, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So right now I'm using the shade Mystic on the crease along with the shades Gorgeous and Grace. I'm gonna go back in with my other brush and use the shade Star. Maybe add some Delight in there for a little spice. I'm not going to be going too crazy, but I am going to add a black shade to my crease too. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and these don't really have any like shade names or numbers or anything, so I'm going in and I'm using black on my crease. How is it that I want to burp right now, but I'm hungry as hell? I don't get it. Super violating. Okay. So I just took a brown from my Desert Oasis palette from BH Cosmetics, and I just added a little bit more because I want this to look like chocolate creamy cappuccino, and this is done. So I think we're getting there. I also just took a sparkly shade from my Desert Oasis palette, and I'm just gonna go in on top. Cause I mean, I could also use like what? Maybe Captivating in this palette would work. Just kidding, I like the other one more, but I'm just gonna go with this. So now I'm just gonna put my lashes on real quick. This is from House of Lashes. This is their iconic lash. And I'm like kind of a fan of these, like not to like be rude or anything, but like these specific ones, I've ordered House of Lashes before, you guys. Like, I'm not hating, I'm just hating on this lash right here. These like kind of have that like CVS quality to them. Not to hate on CVS either. Okay, you guys, so I just did my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna be so brutally honest about these lashes, you guys. I love House of Lashes, by the way. They're a great brand. They're cruelty-free. Their lashes are bomb, especially their natural lashes. They literally just glide on your face, make you look amazing. It makes you look like you have lash extensions snatched to the gods. But this lash feels like cardboard laying on my lids, and I would have to give it like, I mean, it does make me look pretty, hella pretty, so I will give this lash a 7. Now I'm gonna go in with my lips, and this is the BH Cosmetics waterproof lip liner. I'm gonna put some chapstick on. My lips probably dry as hell. Why didn't I just do my concealer and everything in this mirror, y'all? I love this. Oh, I love this. I feel like I didn't do enough with my eyes. I love how I didn't really have to do much to my brows either. I don't really know how to do my brows like that, y'all. Like, I just kind of fill them in like on the corners. There's like a corner over here where my eyebrow doesn't grow, so I'll like fill that in, and then I'll like fill it a little bit in over here, then I'll like go in a little bit here. Cool. Highlight. I don't have a setting spray with me right now, but I'm just gonna do my highlight anyway. Like, where am I going? Oh, forgot to do my lip gloss. Come back here. I love the mirror on this. It's called either Candy Stick or Candy Slick because they tried to be cute. So, and they are cute. They're hella cute. Right, definitely put too much on. All good. All right, babes. Something fell. So for highlight, again, using BH Cosmetics. This is how much I've used their highlights, by the way. So obviously, I use a lot of Ethereal, and I also use a lot of Glow and Vivid. I love Vivid though. It's like a pinky tone, but today I'm just mainly going to be using Radiance, which is kind of like a more brownish tone for my face. Because you'll see with the outfit, you guys. It'll all make sense soon. I promise you. Yo, there's a mirror right in front of my face. This is my favorite place to do my highlight, guys, right here. Little Cupid's arrow. And you know what, you guys? I really love using my highlight. I go in with Ethereal and I'll do the inner corners just to give it a nice little pop, make the eye look just a little bit bigger, not too much. Yeah, I used to go in on my inner corners. I looked like an actual like anime character. Okay, I'm just going ham on this at this point. But yeah. Wait, how do makeup gurus take pics like this? Hold on. Oh. I honestly think I did a pretty decent job. I know I didn't get the best lighting at all times, but I'm going to try and fix it as much as I can. You guys, my ring light is so wonky right now, and my camera fell in the middle of filming this, so try to take what you can get for now. But I'm so happy to be filming again. I love you guys.